Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your maths teacher Hafiz Faizan. It's a second video lesson of a current week. So in this video lesson we will solve some questions related to factorization. So let's begin. It is exercise number 6.5 and we will solve this type of algebraic expression a square minus b square. Now look at this question number 11. X minus 9 by 5 whole square minus 36 over 25 y square. Now there are two terms. First one is x minus 9 by 5 and second term is 36 by 25 y square. On our first term there is a square. So whenever we have two terms, so we have to write in this form a square minus b square form. So first term already given in a whole square form. So we will change this 36 over 25 y square in a square form. We know that 36 is a 6 square and 25 is 5 square. So we will write 6 by 5 y whole square. Now both terms are in the whole square form like this, a square minus b square. So a is x minus 9 by 5 and b is 6 by 5 y. So we have this form a square minus b square form. So what is its right hand side? Its right hand side is a minus b into a plus b. So write these whole square forms in this form. One time subtraction and one time with addition. Write first a, that is x minus 9 by 5 minus sign b is 6 by 5 y into x minus 9 by 5 plus 6 by 5 y. So these are the factors of given algebraic expression. Now look at this next question, question number 12. Question number 12 is factorize. Now again there are two terms. The first one is 25 into x plus 5 by 4 whole square and minus 16 into x plus 7 by 4 whole square. We will also write this 25 and 16 in the form of whole square. This 25 is the part of this first term because 25 is multiplying with this bracket. So we can write in this way 5 into x plus 5 by 4 whole square because 5 square equal to 25. So we can write in the form of whole square as, and this 16 into x plus 7 by 4 whole square in this way 4 into x plus 7 by 4 whole square. 4 square is 16. Now we have this form a square minus b square form and we have to write its right hand side. Now write a minus b form and then we will write the a plus b form. As a is 5 into x plus 5 by 4 minus b is 4 into x plus 7 by 4. Now write this a plus b form. Again, a is 5 into x plus 5 by 4 plus b is 4 into x plus 7 by 4. Now simplify this. Open these round brackets. 5 multiplied by x, it becomes 5x, and 5 multiplied by 5 by 4, it is 25 by 4. And then multiply minus 4 with x, it is minus 4x, and minus 4 multiplied by plus 7 by 4, it is minus 28 by 4, and 28 by 4, which is equal to 7. 7 fours are 28. Now open this round bracket. 5 into x, 5x, and 5 multiplied by 5 by 4, it is 25 by 4, plus 4 into x, it is 4x, and again 4 into 7 by 4. After simplification you will get plus 7. Now adding the like terms, 5x and minus 4x, these are the like terms. So adding their coefficients, 5 minus 4, it is 1x, and 25 by 4 minus 7, these are the like terms. So adding 25 by 4 minus 7 by using a LCM method, you will get 3 by 4. And same is here. Adding the like terms, 5x plus 4x, it is 9x, and 25 by 4 plus 7, addition of fractions, we will add them by using a LCM method, and we will get 53 by 4. So these are the factors of this given algebraic expression. Now look at this next question. Question number 14. It is also similar to previous question. Question is, factorize 36 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 64 into x minus 5 by 4 whole square. So make a square minus b square form. That is 6 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square, because 6 square is 36. It's our first term. And second term is 8 into x minus 5 by 4 whole square. So these are the a square minus b square forms. Now write its right hand side form, that is a minus b and a plus b. Now it's our choice. We can write first a plus b form or a minus b form. It doesn't matter if we write a plus b first or a minus b first. Okay. Now here we are writing a plus b form first. A is 6 into x minus 1 by 4 and b is 8 into x minus 5 by 4. And now write a minus b form, that is 6 into x minus 1 by 4 and minus 8 into x minus 5 by 4. Now open these brackets, round brackets. 6 multiplied by x, it is 6x, and 6 multiplied minus 1 by 4, it is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now 8 multiplied by x, it is 8x, and 8 multiplied by minus 5 by 4, it is equal to minus 10. After simplification, its answer is minus 10. Now 6 into x, it is 6x. 6 into minus 1 by 4, it is minus 3 by 2. And minus 8 into x, it is minus 8x. And minus into minus, it is plus. And 8 multiplied by 5 by 4, it is 10. Now again adding the like terms. 6x plus 8x, it is 14x. And minus 3 by 2 minus 10, we will add them by using a LCM method, taking first LCM and then adding. You will get minus 23 by 2. And 6x minus 8x, these are the like terms. So 6 minus 8, it is minus 2, x as it is. And minus 3 by 2 plus 10, its answer is plus 17 by 2. So these are the factors of this given algebraic expression. Now look at this question number 17. Now there are some values in a numerator, also in a denominators, and these are the decimal numbers: 0.567 whole square minus 0.433 whole square. In a numerator, a square minus b square form is given, already given a square minus b square form. But in a denominator, the subtraction of two numbers is given, that is 0.567 minus 0.433. So open this a square minus b square form. It is a minus b into a plus b. So when we open this, we will write this a minus b and a plus b form. That is 0.567 minus 0.433 into 0.567 plus 0.433, and write denominator as it is. Now you can see that these two terms are same, so cancel with each other, and remaining 0.567 plus 0.433. Now adding these two terms, you will get 1. So your answer is 1. So thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.